Hello everyone, welcome to Shark Can Cook. Today we are making sheet pan pancakes, so let's get started. To a blender add 2.5 cups whole milk, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Then you're going to want to turn that on, pulse it. Okay, now you're going to add the flour, which is 2 3/4 cup flour. I have a feeling this isn't going to be big enough. Might have to transfer it into a mixing bowl. Then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of baking powder, a 1/4 cup of sugar, and a 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. Let's see how this goes. I don't know. Let me get in there and stir it a little bit. Get some of that flour down there. Okay, let's give it another try. Nope, I think I'm going to transfer it into a bigger bowl. It's not getting mixed up good enough. This is too small of a blender. So if you don't have a big enough blender, get a mixing bowl and use the hand mixer. I'll be back. I'm going to transfer it over to a bowl. Okay, I transferred it over to a bowl. I should have known better. So just give it a stir. Now you're going to want to add half of my butter, which is a excuse me, a 1/2 cup. So I'm only going to put a 1/4 cup in. Mix that up. Okay, there's some lumps, but don't worry about that. You overmix, it'll get tough. Now to a sheet pan, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of the melted butter. I'm going to spread that out. And up the sides. And you'll have your oven set to 425. Okay, now we're going to pour the batter. Make sure I get it all. Spread it out. Now we're going to put the fruit. I have 3 different fruit: blueberries, strawberries, and peaches. So just spread it out over the 1/3 of it for the blueberries. And that was 1 heaping cup of blueberries. Some of these blueberries are really big. Now the strawberries, and that's a heaping cup of strawberries cut thicker, not real small chunks. Okay, now the peaches. That's another cup, a heaping cup. And I just poured, squeezed out a little bit of lemon juice on it just so they wouldn't turn brown by the time I get to them. Just a very little bit. Okay, just kind of press them down a little bit. Now we're going to put them in the oven at 425. That's for 20 minutes. Okay, it's been actually 22 minutes. So I'm just going to let it cool just a little bit before I cut it. Just going to use some of that leftover butter and just brush the top. These look good. This is nice to serve for a large family. Just make it all at once in a sheet pan. That is so good. All I need is a cup of coffee. Really good. Really tasty. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, and I'll see you at my next one. Bye.